was not created to mankind to heaven, but save humanity from the hell. So Jai Hind everyone, I am Tushar from Haryana, and today I am standing here in front of you all to talk about global role of UN. United Nations plays a crucial role to promote international peace, security and cooperation. United Nations was world's largest internal government organization, was established in 1945 after myth of World War II to promote international peace and security. United Nations is composed of 15 members in which 5 permanent members China, Russia, United Kingdom, US and France, and 10 non-permanent members are elected by 2 years in terms of General Assembly. United Nations membership was grown from 51 state members to 193 state members. In present, 193 state members are present. It United Nations it works to protect human rights and providing foods, medical help and education to poor countries during World War and natural disaster. There are some major agencies like UNDP, United Nations Development Programme, WHO, World Health Organization, ILO, International Labour Organization, FAO, Food and Agriculture Organization, in which main organs of UN, General Assembly, Security Council, Truthship Council, Economic and Social Council, UN Secretariat. Key role of UN is UN developing good relations among the nations. Global role of UN, peace and security. The United Nations specify through it prevents through General Assembly. It works to prevent conflicts and deploy peacekeepers through manage the international disputes. And second is sustainable development. Through the sustainable development, it's aimed to reduce poverty and hunger disease. The third one is global governance. After that, UN face several challenges like funding and resource constraints. Second is limitation gap. Third is implementation gap and political difference and bureaucracy. Bureaucracy it means slow decision making process. After that, UN and international mediations highlighting terrorism. In my point of view, UN has many failures and achievements, but achievements are more. UN is an imperfect body. It is very hard to control the population over 8 billion. So that's why we need the UN. Jane.